Hey YouTube, what's up? It's KShark22 here. Today I am going to be showing you guys a new piece of software called SignInControlX. Now this software is going to make sure that only one person remains logged into a Windows computer at a time. Now this is mainly geared for enterprise environments where that might be something critical for your guys' workflow. In some instances, there's software that can only be ran by one user at a time. So if another user forgets to sign out and a new user signs in, that software can no longer be used. But with this additional piece of software, it's going to make sure that when a new user does sign in, all existing users are automatically signed out. This is a very lightweight program that uses a mixture of PowerShell and task scheduler, and it's very lightweight. It can even be used portably on like a flash drive. But we'll go ahead and start off with the installer. This is completely free at no cost to anybody. We'll go ahead and run through these prompts. We'll go ahead and just create a desktop icon and then just go through each of these. We'll go ahead and launch it. So if you do not have the .NET Desktop Runtime, we'll need to go ahead and download that. Sometimes this button doesn't always work, so let me pause the video and get right back to you. So in that error message, you'll be able to hit this download link. Sometimes this doesn't work. Worst case scenario, it's going to tell you exactly what runtime that you're needing. So we'll go ahead and open that up. We just need the .8.0.17. So we'll go ahead and install this. Once it's downloaded, we can go ahead and just double click it, hit install, and go through all of the prompts. Once installed, we'll go ahead and hit close. And now we can go ahead and launch the program. This program does have to be ran as administrator when you are installing it or uninstalling it. You have it, like I said, it's very simple. You either hit install or remove. When we hit install, it's going to create that task schedule and it's going to add a script. So if we open up the file location here, we can see that script that it created, and then all there is a task schedule item pointing towards the script upon login. You're more than welcome for security purposes to review the code of this and extract code, do whatever you need to. There are log files involved as well. If you run this program without administrative privileges, it's just going to give you an error. You won't be able to install or remove the script. But you can't see logs. Obviously, no one's logged in or logged out yet, but if you hit that logs button, it'll show you the logs. So let's go ahead and see this program in action. So one way you can tell if someone is signed in or not is by going into your task manager and then click on the people icon. And right now we can see SBXU is signed in. Now we'll go ahead and switch users and we'll sign into the test account. And this one doesn't have a password or anything because I created it just for this demo. We'll go ahead and hit sign in. And I'll go ahead and pause while it goes through these initial menus. Okay, so now it looks like we are signed in. And we'll go ahead and check Task Manager and see if anything has changed. So we can see SBXU is now signed out. Now, given the issue that we ran into with it being a new user, we'll go ahead and sign back into SBXU and see if it signs the test user out. Because I do want you guys to see this from start to finish. Okay. So if the script works correctly, test users should be signed out here in just a second or two. And there you have it. That is essentially all of the program. Your end users will not be able to remove or install the script or anything like that because it's obviously blocked by administrator access. So as long as you have the correct security and controls at your enterprise, you should be fine. Any feedback or suggestions is always welcome. Otherwise, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.